I know I'm standing between you and going home, and I will keep this short, but please indulge with me, because to organize an event of this nature, a lot of people have taken a lot of efforts to make this such a grand success. First and foremost, I think to choose a theme to inspire to make a difference, to choose a theme like that and also match that with a quality of speakers that we've seen tonight, minute after minute, speaker after speaker. First and foremost, I'm sure all of you agree with me here, a big round of applause to the steering committee of this wonderful event. That includes some of the session chairs that have so remarkably done a wonderful job of the two sessions that we had here, including Mrs. Raj Shripati, Mr. Vinu Aram, and of course the architect of this event, none other than our chairman, Mr. Ravi Sam. Congratulations, Ravi, and I think what you set out to achieve, I think you've done it in great style today. I must also thank all the past chairmen of CII Coimbatore Zone for having come here and honored us by giving us an opportunity to honor you. Second, people who have made the new office possible for CII. I think a lot of them are here. I wish to place on record our gratitude to them. That also includes the building committee members, Mr. C.R. Swaminathan, who is also here, Mrs. Nandini, and Mr. Krishna Samraj in particular. I would like to extend our thanks to the event sponsors, Suguna Poultry, Bannari Amman Group, and Advait Lakshmi. I would like to thank all my colleagues from the Tamil Nadu State Council, including the State Chairman, Mr. N.K. Ranganath, for your presence here, sir. I wish to thank all the speakers who have travelled far and wide to be here and share their wonderful inspiration with us. I thank all the delegates who have stayed here, who participated and shown your enthusiasm for registering for this event. And finally, the friends from media for their continued support for all the events that we do at CII. And finally, to the wonderful team of CII Secretariat, they deserve a big round of applause, CII Coimbatore Secretariat, and the volunteers from the PSG institutions and the Happy Valley institution. Thank you very much. Good night.